Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB on the left or MEXEM on the right. And before starting this comparison video, there's one thing that you need to know, and that is I won't tell you in today's video which platform is better. Both platforms are great, but they're totally different, so I can't compare them. I try to compare them, but I will tell you the differences on 5 topics so you can make your own comparison and then can decide which platform will fit you the best. So let's start right here with XTB on the left. The main focus on XTB is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform. And MEXEM is a global investing platform powered by interactive brokers infrastructure. XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and MEXEM is the best for active investors and global market traders. The trading tools on XTB are advanced charting, CFDs, stock and ETFs, and on MEXEM are the trading tools stocks, ETFs, options, futures, bonds and global market access. Then if you look to the interface on XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and the interface on MEXEM is professional trading platform with advanced tools. Then if you look to the fees and trading costs, XTB has stock ETF trades, often zero commission, within limits of course, and CFDs use spreads and overnight fees on XTB. Then if you look to MEXEM, MEXEM has low commissions with tiered pricing. Costs are generally competitive for active and international investors. So if you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs, commission-free stock and ETF investing, of course within limits again. And many investors use MEXEM for global investing, professional trading, the tools that they have, access to a wide range of international markets. So hopefully after seeing this video, you can make the decision right now which platform fits you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.